Texas, and we're at Lake Colorado City State Park.
Okay.
What color is it, Herb? I can't tell from here.
Dark green.
I was right.
Biggest state. All right. Our site is looking right over the lake.
I should have been sucking my pouch in.
Not,
Size pouch.
not bad. Well, we're not 100% sure, but these are red ants, and they look like they're on a mission. So I would say they're probably fire ants. You should be fishing for those catfish. No. They'll sting you with the barbel. You'll turn into SpongeBob. What's that, dear?
You didn't get that, did you?
No, are you falling down? Why?
Now they're gonna go in the lake. Not that deep.
I'm not doing that.
What?
I'm not doing that.
Why not?
I want to see what the horse, how deep it is.
Like this.
Mom.
Go in, dear. I'm running out of film.
I'm standing over here though because
Wow, Mom, you're great. Hey, she's going back.
You're cool. I'm so cool.
Mommy's been going back for the first time ever.
Now watch this. Prepare to be amazed. Yeah.
Yeah!
Amazing.
Look at the catfish coming out.
There's the family.
Hello. Got to the fire ants without you.
Did you?
Cheated death once again.
Okay, here we are at the fishing dock, and judging from the spider webs, I'm not sure a whole lot's been caught here lately.
There's tons of bugs. You said there was none.
I said no mosquitoes, Tom. These are going to be mosquitoes. Just give you encephalitis. These guys will kill you. How's the fishing going?
I'm going yet. They're just starting. That's fishing.
And again, that's flashing. There's laws against that in Texas.
And it's flashing.
There's fishing, there's flashing. They spank your butt big time for that in Texas.
I know how they protect themselves.
Cacti.
Mommy, that's through your pants.
Oh!
Cacti in your anus.
Mom.
It's all nice red ant collection. It's all cacti things here.
In your
See
anus.
it? Can you see it?
Yeah, I do see little,
little ones.
the little things. Yeah. You sat in the cactus?
Apparently.
No, those things are
Oh!
What are you doing there?
I'm picking the cactus out of my pants.